Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. So the first bit, they told us to carry out the multiplication. That means we need to multiply these two expressions. And how do we do that? See, first 4p. We should multiply, so put into symbol and the second expression in the brackets. Framing in this way is your step 1. Next. Now we should multiply this into the first term and this with the second term. That is 4p into q. Now here it is plus, here also plus, so result is plus 4p into r. Next. Now this is the first term, this is the second term. Let us simplify. Only one number, so write as it is. Next p as it is, q, only one q, so write as it is. Done. Now here, only one number, so 4 as it is. Only one, p appeared only once, so you write as it is. R also appeared once, so write as it is. So this is our answer for the first bit. Next. Second bit. We should multiply these two. That is AB into this. Two terms are there, so we should put in the brackets. Now to multiply this with the first term and this with the second term you should do. Now here it is plus, here also plus, so plus into plus, plus, and AB into A. Now here it is plus and here it is minus, so we should put minus AB into B. Now let us simplify this and this separately. That is, see here. Here A, here also A, so write A. And the power is, add the powers and write, since bases are same. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now we don't have anywhere else B, so you write it down as it is. That's it. Minus. Now here, only one, A appeared only once, so you write A. Now B is here and here, so you write B. Add the powers and write here, since bases are same. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this is our answer for the second bit. Next, third bit. We should multiply these two. That is A plus B into 7a square b square. I repeat, more than one term, so definitely we should put in the brackets. Clear with the point? If there are more than one term, they should be kept in the brackets. It's only one term, so we did not put in the brackets. But more than one term, we should put in the brackets. Now, this we should multiply to this and this with this. So first plus into plus, plus, and a into 7a square b square. Now plus into plus we get plus and b into this. Okay, next. First we should write the numbers, that is 7. Now the letters. Here it is A, here also A. So write A. Now add the powers and write here since bases are same. So 1 plus 2, 3. Now next letter B. B appeared only once, so it will be written down as it is. Next, plus Here the number is 7, so you write that first. Now B, anywhere else B? Here, yes, so write B. Now add the powers and write. Here it is 1, here it is 2, so 1 plus 2, 3. Left out is A. A appeared only once, so you write A square as it is. Either we can leave it here, or let us write A first and B cube later. So A square B cube. This is the answer for the third bit. Next, fourth bit. We should multiply those two. That is A square minus 9 into 4A. We should multiply this into this and next this into this. That is, here it is plus, here also plus. So plus A square into 4A. Now here it is minus, here it is plus, we get minus. Now 9 into 4A. Okay, next. Now in this, first we write the numbers, that is 4. Now letters A, so here also A you write. And the power is, you should add the power since bases are same. So 2 plus 1, 3. We are done here. Now minus, first the numbers, 9 into 4, 36. A appeared only once, so that will be written as it is. This is the answer for the fourth bit. Next, fifth bit. We should multiply these two. That is P cube plus QR plus RP into 0. See man, anything into 0 will result in 0. So this is our answer.